not only in After Effects, you can make this deep glow effect in Premiere Pro. Firstly, write down your text, then go to Effects tab, then search Drop Shadow, then drag the drop shadow to the effect, then make the distance to 0. Make sure you have set the color to white and the softness to 50. Then copy this effect and paste it. Then increase the softness to 100. Again, paste it and make the softness to 200 and again paste it. Then make the softness to 500. Again, paste it and make the softness to 1000. Now, again, go to Effects tab and search Tint and apply to the text clip. Now you can adjust the color whenever you want. So to save this effect as preset, select all of the effects and right click and give it a name and save as preset. Now whenever you want, you can use this effect by just searching the effect on the effects tab, then apply it to your clip. It's not perfect, it's not the same as on After Effects, but it works. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel and like the video. Thank you.